easy way? We live in a digital world, and every operating business right now, big or small, needs some kind of online exposure, because that's where the world is progressing. If your business doesn't catch up, it is bound to stay behind. But in between all the other aspects of business, focusing on online marketing or even making a start on promoting your business online can take a backseat. Let me tell you a secret. One simple way to start or enhance your digital marketing journey is with the help of search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is a strategy for improving your site's rankings in search engine results. It involves in identifying which keywords and phrases your target audience uses when looking for products or services like yours, then working towards ranking well for those searches. SEO is so powerful that studies suggest that if done right, it can drive 14.6 conversion rates to your site. Moreover, 93% of all online experiences begin with a search engine like Google, YouTube, or Bing, and 70 to 80% of people ignore paid search results, choosing to only click on the organic section of the search results. Therefore, to survive in today's competitive market, SEO is imperative for your business. But there's a problem. On the surface, SEO may seem simple, but it's much more than what meets the eye. It requires you to focus on working on multiple factors at the same time so that you can have a real SEO marketing strategy. Well, we have put together all the resources you need to get started with your successful SEO marketing strategy. Introducing Google for SEO 2020 Bootcamp, a complete step-by-step SEO video training covering everything you need to know to optimize your sites or posts to gain high rankings in 2020 and maximize your organic traffic. Take a look at what you're going to get inside. It will show you exactly how to start with SEO and matter the initial aspects of doing the right SEO for your brand. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Module 2, Premier Training Guide, the SEO Training Kit. This guide will walk you through every step and give you the information you need to start and succeed with your SEO strategies securely and effectively. We have included everything you need to know about SEO so it will work for you. And that is not all. In addition, we are providing 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2, Mind Map. Bonus 3, Top Resource Report. Download this amazing package to improve your website SEO and turn it into the massive lead generating powerhouse you've always dreamt of. Click on the buy button and grab this deal before it's gone forever.